Welcome to this training session on working online versus offline with Audio Project Manager. By the end of this video, you'll be able to differentiate between online and offline options, configure these modes for teams or individual projects, and choose the best mode for your needs. First, let's explore the key differences between online and offline modes. Working online means that you or your team has constant access to the internet, enabling real-time collaboration and automatic backups of your audio projects. Offline mode, on the other hand, allows you to work without internet access with progress stored locally until you reconnect. Depending on how you will work, choose one of these options to suit your needs. Online team. You and your team will use the Audio Project Manager or desktop in team audio projects while usually online. Offline team, you and a team will work in team projects while offline. Occasionally online, you and your team will use desktop both online or offline as needed. Online alone, you will work alone with Audio Project Manager or desktop while usually online. Offline alone, you will work alone while offline. Now let's walk through some example scenarios with online and offline modes for teams and individual options. For online teams, you will usually have access to the internet. You will work in team projects and you may integrate with projects online, not locally. As a prerequisite, desktop is installed if you will use it. You can use Audio Project Manager in a browser or desktop app online interchangeably. Let's go ahead with a demo. To work on an online team, set up a team audio project. If you have a team already set up, click Work Online. This option allows you to access team projects. You will either have to use a login with Paratext Detail or log in with Google. For this exercise, we will log in with Google. Enter your email address or Gmail address. And your password. Once your projects are loaded, you can now be able to view all your team projects and work on them accordingly. Now let's explore the work alone offline option. Offline alone means that you will work this way. You will not use the internet even if your computer has access to it. You will work alone in personal audio projects instead of with a team, and you will integrate with Paratext locally if you need to. The prerequisites: under offline alone, you should have the desktop app installed. You'll have one or more audio files or a microphone so you can record them. If you want to use a spreadsheet, it must be available. Now let's get right into the demo. Under the Work Alone option, choose the Work Offline. Audio Project Manager creates an initial user by default. You can choose Configure to enter the details of your new project. And after that, you can add the project. You are now ready to start working on your offline project. You may also choose to bulk upload a project if you have few pre-recorded audio files for passages. You may choose to start a fresh recording. A personal audio project is one that you will use. It's important to note that a personal audio project cannot be changed to a team audio project later on. However, if you think you might form a team in the future, it's wise to set up a team audio project. And that brings us to the end of this lesson. I hope it has been informative for you.